Hey, you're watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this matte black nail look because winter's right around the corner and a potential lockdown is right behind it. So you might find yourself having to do your own nails. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails and I'm going to add my base coat. This time I'm using a peel off base coat. Can't remember what it's called, but I'll put it down in the description. Yeah, because I was using a dark colour and I thought it'd be easier to just get it off using the peel off. 2 coats as usual, but if you're not extra like I am, then 1 base coat will do. Next, I am painting my nails black, so I'm using this opaque black because it saves me from having to do a million coats. But yeah, so you're basically going to paint all your fingernails, making sure that you wrap the edge of the nail. I'm going to speed this up, well I already have, but take your time because with dark colours, if you smudge it, it can be a hot mess. Okay, so now that's done, you're going to add a glossy top coat. So this is going to make the side of your nail that's not matte be really shiny. You can skip the step, but I think it looks better if you do it, so don't be lazy, just do the step. Okay, so now that my nails are completely dry, I'm getting some sellotape and I'm placing it diagonally across my nails. So you're going to place the sellotape on every nail, and once you're happy with the way it's laid down, then you can move on to the next step. So once the sellotape is all secure onto your nails, you can add your matte top coat. So basically this is going to go on the part of the nail that isn't covered with the sellotape, in theory. So once you finish putting on your matte top coat, you're going to peel off the sellotape fairly straight away because you don't want it to dry, because if it dries onto the nail with the sellotape, it might make the sellotape more difficult to remove. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to add your striping tape, and this is going to go along the middle of the nail diagonally across where the glossy black meets the matte black on your nail. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Look at what I'm doing. And once you're done laying that, you're going to cut off the excess and then get some more striping tape, silver, and lay that on the side of your nail. Now I put mine on the right side, but you can put it on the left if you want, it's up to you. Next you're going to cut off the excess and then you are done. And there you go, you are left with this black matte and glossy nail look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you didn't, go ahead and do those things anyway, because why not? And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!